Hi guys, I am Kirti and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about all the things that I have got from the Nykaa Black Friday sale. Now, a lot of us already know कि Nykaa या कोई भी Black Friday sale जो होती है brands की वो these are one of the biggest sale of the year. So same is with Nykaa, ये हर साल इसी टाइम पे आती है. And I actually didn't plan to buy anything ऐसे, but then I started surfing कि let's just see क्या है because they have heavy discounts in this sale. So there are things which I have simply restocked जो मैं already use करती आ रही हूँ, but I have like quite a concoction of things right here. So yeah, कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें जो मैंने simply restock कर ली हैं, कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं that I have been wanting to try since a very long time. So I just thought of giving it a shot. So there are quite a lot of things. Let's just get started with the video one by one and talk about these. Okay, so the first thing that I have is my OG shampoo, which is Love Beauty and Planet ka Argan Oil and Lavender one. This I have been using for at least 2.5 years now. I think this is probably my 7th or 8th bottle and it is very nice. I have chemically treated hair, so I always try something or want to use something on my hair which is hydrating and gives the right kind of moisture to my hair, right? So this is the one that I have been using. It is supposed to help you with frizz. It gives you a very nice shine to your hair. So yeah, this is one that I restocked. I already have a little bit left, but then I bought a new one obviously because I need it, and I use it with its argan oil hair mask. I skip the conditioner. Instead of conditioner I use that one, so it works great and goes really nice for your hair. Okay, so the next product that we have is L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 hair mask, because lately my hair have been feeling a little brittle and dry, so I wanted to give them all the moisture and hydration. So I got this one. I have used it in the past and it works really nice. I've already used this one once and yeah, it still works the same, really nice. If you want to have something that gives a very nice and spa like feel to your hair at home, you can definitely try this one. The next thing that I have is L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Hair Serum. Now again, this is one of the products that I have been using for at least 3 to 4 years now. I have lost the count of how many bottles I have got. So yeah, I have actually found another one which is very similar to this one. This has a very thick oil like consistency, so it gives the right moisture and shine to your hair without making it feel oily. So that is something that I really like about this one. If you have frizzy hair, do try this one out. It works very nice for your hair. So yeah, I was saying one of the very similar products that I've come across is the hair serum by Tresemme, and it also has a black and a golden finish packaging. I don't know the exact variant, but that is also very nice. So when I was actually buying it, I was a little bit confused about between these two, but then I thought of going with the OG one and not trying to experiment much. So yeah, this is the one that I got. So the next item that I have is Hyphen's Vintage Infused Peptide Lip Balm in the shade Vintage. So मेरी sister के पास इसका दूसरा variant था जो मैंने use किया था ना. It was very nice. If you have dry chappy lips, I think this is very good for you. इसका जो texture है, it is very similar to the Laneige lip balm. बहुत ही thick है. अगर आप इसको रात में you leave it overnight, you are gonna wake up with the most soft and supple moisturized lips, definitely. Or it has a slight tint, very light tint that it gives to your lips. So yeah, it works really nice for that. If you want something that has a little bit of tint, not very loud, not extremely sheer, so you can definitely go with this one. And texture wise also, it works very nice. Okay, so the next thing that I have got is a few lipsticks. 2 are from Lakme and 2 are from Nykaa. Let's talk about the Lakme ones first. So these 2 are nude shades. They are in the shade 19 Nude Twist and 26 Nude Latte. Now both of these are nude shades. I think अगर आप मेरे similar skin tone के हो और आपके पास ये दोनों हैं, and there is one more actually which is Nude Dream. वो मेरे almost खत्म हो गया. I think मुझे उसको भी restock करना चाहिए था. I might probably in a couple of days, but अभी मेरे पास ये दो हैं. And I think अगर आपके पास ये तीनों shades हैं, and if you want something in nude, these are all that you're gonna need. You're sorted for your nude shades. Okay, the third one that is there has a very pink undertone to it. This has a very rusty and a brown finish, and this is like a typical nude one. Okay, so ये तीनों shades हैं मेरे पास, and these are the 2 that I've got. I'm gonna attach a swatch of these somewhere on the screen while we are talking about this. The other two that I have is from Nykaa. This is the mini version of Bombay that I got. Now I imagined it to be more brown actually, and this shade is kind of washing me out, so I don't know how do I feel about this one. But formula wise it is okayish. It gets a little bit drying after some time, but yeah, pigment wise it's nice, and you can definitely try it out if you are on a lighter side of skin tone. So yeah, the other one is this Nykaa Matte to Last in the shade Maharani. Now this is very bold of me to actually buy something of this color, because मैं ज़्यादा ऐसे bold colors या loud colors अभी लगाती नहीं हूँ. So I'm not sure, but it as a shade it is very nice. It's very dark maroonish red that will go, I think, with every skin tone, even deeper than mine, even lighter than mine, and mine as well. So yeah, this is very nice. I don't know where am I gonna put to use of this, but yeah, otherwise it's very nice, or my mom can even use it. So yeah, this is the one. The next stuff that we have are a pair of nail paints. Now both of these are from Nykaa. This is from the Insta Like range, and in the shade Rose Edit. This is very simple, very pinkish nude sort of color. The other one is this dark maroon red color in the shade Wine and Chill. Now this is something that I've got because पूरे internet पे इस time बहुत ही ज़्यादा dark cherry red and maroon color के nails are there all over the internet. So मैंने सोचा let's just try this one out. Again, very bold of me to order this one. Let's see how does this look. अगर मेरे पे नहीं ज़्यादा तो this is something that my mom will be very happy to use. So it's a win-win situation both ways. So yes, these are the two that I got. The next thing that I have is this Chemistat Glaze body wash, which is brightening body wash for daily use, which with 3% of vitamin C, niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, glycolic acid, and camu camu. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but this is what it says here. This is supposed to, you know, help with brighten and even out the skin tone. This is also paraben free, silicon free, sulfate free, and cruelty free. मैंने इनका एक और variant use करा है, which is exfoliating one, and I think that is very nice. So this is something that I wanted to try this one time, and yeah, this is the one that I got. The next thing that I have is Professional O3's Shine and Glow Kit. Now this is something that I've got very randomly. मेरे को ऐसे ही ये दिख गया because once my friend suggested that ये बहुत ही अच्छा होता है for facial. It's a single use kit, and it is supposed to have 7 steps. Now I really don't have much idea for this, so मैं कुछ ज़्यादा बता नहीं पाऊँगी. But yeah, from the review that I have had for this, ये बहुत ही अच्छा काम करता है, and it's a single use one. Let's see how does this work. I think me or my mom, anyone can use it, and then we can check. And then this Nykaa pouch that Nykaa very kindly sent me as a freebie. This is a very spacious pouch, and I'm very excited on, you know, I can probably use this as my daily go-to kit wherein I store all my skincare, or if there's any makeup or lipstick that I want to carry. So this is gonna be very good for that. The last thing and the most expensive thing of this haul is this Tony Moly's Wondrous Ceramide Mochi Toner. Now this is a huge bottle of 500 ml, and I got this for I think 1000 rupees. It is actually for 1500 rupees, but I got it for 1000 rupees in the sale. And I have heard some very good things about this one. It is supposed to have you know, ceramide 5000 ppb, and it is safe for sensitive skin. Hopefully, I really have very high hopes from this one, and I just hope it doesn't break me out, because then I will be heartbroken because of how much money that I have spent on this. But yeah, it is supposed to give you a very nice hydrated plumped skin. So yeah, that is something that I'm really looking forward to, and I'm going to be linking all these products down in the description box below, so in case you want to check these out. And if there's any product that I have got for the first time and you have already used it, please make sure to drop your review in the comments below. I would love to read it. And yeah, that is all for this video, guys. I really hope you like this one. If you do, please drop a comment, please like it, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.